Confused about which is the best torque wrench for your toolbox? Picking the wrong one can ruin your project fast. In this review, we test popular torque wrenches. We highlight accuracy, grip comfort, and long-term reliability. Discover the best options for mechanics and DIY users. Let's find your perfect match today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best torque wrench. Let's get started. 1. LEXIVON Torque Wrench Half-Inch Drive Click 10 to 150 Foot-Pound LX183. The LEXIVON Torque Wrench LX183 is a practical tool for daily car maintenance. It supports a torque range from 10 to 150 foot-pound, which fits most wheel and engine jobs. This makes it a useful choice for beginners and home users. The body feels solid and dependable. It uses strong steel so it can handle repeated use. The grip sits well in your hand, giving better control during work. It comes ready to use, so no setup is needed. The tool delivers steady torque with minor variation, which works well for general repair tasks. The price usually stays between $35 and $45, making it a wonderful value option. Verdict: a good torque wrench choice for DIY users who want reliable performance at an affordable price. 2. YIYEIE 1/4 3/8 half-inch drive click torque wrench set 8 pieces. The YIYEIE 8-piece torque wrench set is made for users who want one tool set for many tasks. You get 3 drive sizes so you can work on bikes, motorcycles, and cars without switching tools. This makes it a flexible option for mixed repair needs. Each wrench feels smooth during use. The ratchet moves easily, even in tight spots where space is limited. The markings are bold so you can read them without effort. The set keeps torque output consistent across different tools, which adds confidence during work. The price usually ranges from $70 to $90, which is fair for a complete kit. Verdict: the best torque wrench for users who want a versatile set that covers many repair tasks in one package. 3. Matework Upgraded Torque Wrench Set 8 PCS. The Matework Torque Wrench Set is a great fit for users who work on repairs often. This set includes 3 drive sizes, so you can handle both small and large jobs without switching tools. It works well for bikes, motorcycles, and cars. The first thing you notice is the comfort. The handle feels soft and steady, which helps during longer tasks. The ratchet head moves easily, even in tighter areas. The tool keeps torque delivery stable, which helps reduce errors during use. This makes it a good choice for users who want more control. The price usually ranges from $80 to $100, depending on deals. Verdict: a torque wrench set is best for regular users who want better comfort and smoother handling for frequent repair work. 4. CRAFTSMAN Torque Wrench 1/2-inch drive 50 to 250 foot-pound CMMT 99434. The CRAFTSMAN Torque Wrench CMMT 99434 is built for tough jobs that need higher force. It offers a torque range from 50 to 250 foot-pounds, which suits trucks, SUVs, and heavy parts. If you often work on larger vehicles, this tool fits well. The click feedback is bold and easy to feel, even during harder tasks. The scale is simple and clear, so you can set values quickly. It focuses on higher torque, so it may not suit small or delicate work. Still, it delivers reliable torque output for demanding tasks where strength matters most. The price usually ranges from $80 to $110, depending on the seller. Verdict: best for users who need strong torque for heavy-duty work and larger vehicles. 5. SUZUME 3PCS Torque Wrench Set Dual Direction Adjustable. The SUZUME 3PCS Torque Wrench Set is a smart option for users who want flexibility in one kit. It includes 3 drive sizes, so you can move from small bike bolts to larger car parts without changing tools. This makes it useful for mixed repair work at home or in a small garage.
The 72-tooth ratchet works smoothly and helps in tight spaces where movement is limited. This makes detailed work much easier. The grip feels secure and comfortable in your hand. The click feedback is lighter than some other models, but still clear enough to guide you. It delivers stable torque across its range, helping reduce uneven tightening and errors. The torque wrench set usually costs between $65 and $85, which makes it a strong value choice. Verdict: best for users who want a flexible, budget-friendly torque wrench set for everyday repair tasks. 6. EPAuto 1/2-inch drive click the torque wrench, 10 to 150 feet-pound. The EPAuto 1/2-inch drive torque wrench is a simple tool made for basic car maintenance. It covers a torque range of 10 to 150 feet-pound, which works well for wheel lug nuts and common engine tasks. This makes it a good option for beginners and home users. The click sound is softer than premium tools, but you can still feel it clearly when you reach the set torque. The scale markings are easy to read, so adjustments take little time. It comes ready to use out of the box, which saves setup effort. The torque output stays fairly consistent within its working range, making it reliable for everyday jobs. The torque wrench price usually ranges from $30 to $40, making it one of the most affordable options. Verdict: the best torque wrench set for beginners who want a budget-friendly and easy-to-use torque wrench for basic repairs.
7. LEXIVON inch-pound torque wrench 1/4 drive LX181. The LEXIVON inch-pound torque wrench LX181 is built for small and detailed tasks. It works within a range of 20 to 200 inch-pounds, which makes it ideal for bikes, small engines, and delicate parts. If you need fine control, this tool is a great match. The size is compact and easy to manage. You can reach tight areas without much effort. The handle feels light but still strong, giving you good control during use. When the set torque is reached, the click is soft yet precise, helping you avoid over-tightening sensitive components. The scale is clear and designed for small values. You can set the torque accurately without confusion. It delivers very consistent torque in low ranges, which is important for precision work. This makes it a reliable tool for careful adjustments. The price usually falls between $25 and $35, which is fair for this type of tool. Verdict: best torque wrench set for users who need precise control for small parts, bikes, and light mechanical work.
Which best torque wrench set should you buy? Choosing the right torque wrench depends on your needs. For simple car work, the LEXIVON LX183 is a reliable and easy option. It handles most daily tasks without trouble. If you want more flexibility, the YIYEIE set is a smart pick. It gives you 3 sizes for bikes, motorcycles, and cars. For regular use with better comfort, the Matework set offers smoother handling. For heavy-duty jobs, the CRAFTSMAN wrench works best. It handles higher torque with ease. If you're on a budget, the EPAuto wrench is a good basic choice. For small and precise work, the LEXIVON LX181 is the right tool.